Manu is believed to be the son of Brahma and the first human being to take birth on earth. He is believed to be the father of the human race. The first man of the world was Swayambhuva Manu and the first woman was Shatarupa. All the people of the world originated from the children of this first man and first woman. Being the son of Manu, we are all called Manav. Brahma created the four Kumar rishis, Sanaka, Sanatan, Sanata and Sanat, from his mind and asked them to help him with the massive task of creation. But as children often do, the sons of Brahma had a mind of their own. They wanted to do their own thing. So instead of getting stuck with the job of creation, they gave up the world and went looking for salvation. This angered Brahma and he frowned. From this spot between his brows, a fifth son was born, wailing as babies do when they are born. Brahma named him Rudra. Brahma asked Rudra, who was born in the shadow of his father's anger and hence filled with fear of the world, to go dwell in all things, the sky, the air, the water, the sun and moon. Brahma then created 10 more sons from his body: Angira, Atri, Bhrigu, Daksh, Kratu, Marichi, Narad, Pulastya, Pulaha and Vashisht. From Brahma's mouth was born his daughter Saraswati. Seeing the beautiful and wise Saraswati, Brahma forgot she was his daughter and began to pursue her. This upset Saraswati so much that she got up and left. Brahma came back to his senses and realized his serious mistake. He was so ashamed and filled with such remorse that he dissolved himself into nothingness. Having messed up the first attempt at creation, Brahma decided to try again, doing it right this time. So he first created a brilliant body for himself and then divided it into two, the man Manu and the woman Shatarupa. Creation, destruction and recreation are the rules of the universe. Therefore, everything that takes birth perishes and takes rebirth once again. Manu is believed to be conceived by Brahma after Vishnu asked him to lay the foundations of creation on earth. According to a legend, Manu was produced by Brahma and so was Shatarupa, his spouse. The couple then took various human forms to establish the human race. Subsequently, when Lord Shiva created floods at the request of Brahma, Vishnu saved Manu and his wife Shatarupa. Lord Vishnu, who had taken the avatar of Matsya, appeared before Manu and informed him about the Jal Pralay. And since Manu's existence was essential for keeping the human race alive, Lord Vishnu presented a boat to him. Then he asked Manu to tie the boat to his fin with the help of Sheshnag. Thus, Vishnu safely escorted Manu and Shatarupa. Interestingly, Manu not only saved the human race, but he also saved knowledge by taking the Saptarishis along with him. And to maintain the ecological balance, he also took various species of plants and animals with him. Thus, after finding a new abode, Manu and Shatarupa gave birth to the human race once again and sowed the seeds of a new beginning. They were married and had 2 sons, Priyavarta and Uttanpad, and 3 daughters, Akuti, Devuti and Prasuti. Akuti was married to Ruchi Prajapati, Prasuti was married to Daksh, and Devuti was married to Kardam Rishi. It is their children who went on and populated the earth. This creation came to be known as Maituni Shrishtai. Maitun in Sanskrit means the union of male and female. Brahma also sprouted the 4 Vedas from his mouth and created such things as Dharma, that is righteousness or truth, and Adharma, that is untruth, anger, desire, fear, attachment, joy and suffering. In this way, Manu and Shatarupa became the reason for the birth of mankind. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more such interesting stories.